Welcome to Bad Wrench Automotive. Okay, so we're going to talk about these actuators. This is basically a part that they put on cars that has to do with the variable valve timing. It also has to do with timing control. So they use these actuators to adjust the timing, and they do it through, some of them will do it electronically, but most of them are doing it through oil pressure. I've got one that I'm going to show you guys, and then I'm going to explain why I had to take these off just to do the valve covers. So here's the one that I have, and here's the seal. As you guys can see, this seal is no longer good. If I tried to reuse this, it would leak oil horribly bad. I will also need to clean this up and get all of that old gasket material off of there without knocking anything down into those holes that is for the ports. So usually it's a smart idea to run a piece of tape across those holes, cap those off, so you don't get gasket material down inside these actuators. These you don't want to replace unless you have to. They're about $170 a piece, and there's two of them because it's a 6-cylinder. My new seals are right here. You guys can see just how much better the new seals look. And there's a dimple on these. So if we look at this one right here, we want to look at which way that dimple is facing so that we know how it goes on. And on this one, it looks like the dimple will face up. And we can always tell by how it feels when we take this off. Yeah, so here it's indented. This was facing down, which means that's how we're going to want to do it on here. Now, there is bolts, so the bolts will only line up a certain way. So that kind of helps us too. But that surface has to be absolutely clean, and this surface has to be clean as well. So I will need to go through and wipe this up. Again, I don't want to get any debris down in any of those holes, because any debris down in there could wreck that $170 part. We don't want to do that. One thing I wanted to cover that was important here, whenever you're going to do valve covers and valve cover gaskets, you will need to remove these actuators on both sides of the engine. For this Nissan Pathfinder, this is the 4.0, and you will need to be able to move this gas line around, meaning you'll have to unclip the gas line from here, like so. And what I had to do is I had to actually pull this gas line forward, push the valve cover back, and come up with it, and then I could bring it out. These are some of the things that are going to be in the way when you guys try to do those valve cover gaskets. I wanted to cover that part in this video because those actuators were actually in the way. Where this bolt is, you can't get to this bolt without removing that actuator. Again, on this side, you have this bracket, and then there's a bracket back here, right here. I actually had to undo that harness and bend that connector out of the way in order to get this valve cover out. Those are some of the things that you'll have to contend with when you do this project. Knowing these little shortcuts can save you a bunch of time, because if you don't have the proper tools, you won't be able to disconnect that gas line, or you won't be able to get other things out of the way. Some of the brackets are buried and connected to many other different things that we don't want to take apart. So we choose to do it this way and get through there so that we can get this job done. Always look for spots where you could save yourself a little bit of time, but don't do it at the cost of you stripping out a bolt. If that happens, you will need a socket easy out. These things have saved my life many, many times. I always keep these around. If I break them, I buy a new set. But these really do help because they go on, they bite down onto the head of the bolt, and you just twist it out like you normally would. So these work really great. And you can get these at any auto parts store. Here's the full kit, and it'll do metric and standard. So guys, if you're really liking our Nissan Pathfinder content, if you guys are getting a lot out of this, make sure you guys are hitting that like button, hitting the subscribe button, Make sure you ring the notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content. We've got a lot coming yet on this Nissan Pathfinder. I've got many different projects to do before I send this out the door, but this is just some of the stuff we got going. I can give you guys a little sneak peek teaser before I end this video. We will be doing mirrors. We've got a busted mirror. We will be talking here about fan clutch pretty soon, putting that intake back on. And on our air cleaner, we had boots that we have to do along with the throttle body. So guys, tons of content coming. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.